and in this video we are going to take a quick tour of the new Android Studio update, which includes Jetpack Compose features. Okay, which means you can use the Jetpack Compose Stable version in it. So let's start Android Studio, and one more thing, you need to update your Android Studio to Arctic Fox in order to see what you are seeing in this video. And here you have the layout, and click on the new project, and then here you have some options, and I'm going to select empty compose activity and make sure phone and tablet is selected. Click on next, and here you need to give a name for your application. So I'm going to say compose app. Okay, and then first compose app, and then here is the location, and then language is obviously Kotlin. And one more thing, you should use Kotlin if you want to work with Jetpack Compose. And here is the minimum SDK, and it is saying your app will run on approximately 94.1% of devices. So minimum is Android 5.0 API level 21. Click it and click on finish. Yeah, I think the newer Android Studio is optimized. I can see the project created quickly. Yeah, and here we have some information related to this new Arctic Fox release. Support for Jetpack Compose, and this is the most important part of this update. And also we have this in the layout inspector. Right, so many updates, and obviously it is faster than the previous versions of the Android Studio. It is doing some download and stuff. Now, after updating, this is the first time I am opening or creating a project using Jetpack Compose in this new Android Studio. A new project. Now we have created a new project which uses Jetpack Compose. Now here you can see a few things. Now on the right side, it should show you some preview, and if it doesn't, click on build and refresh. Now here on the left you can see that it is the method here is that you are creating the views using a declarative way of coding. Okay, so on the very top you see here on create view and super dot on create, and then here it is the set content. Now what is this greeting? It is basically a function that takes a string and then it displays text. Now this is how your preview is going to look like. Okay, and in the default preview they are calling this greeting, and then they are writing the text as hello Android. So that's pretty much it for this video. In next video we are going to explore or dive into the Jetpack Compose, and we will be doing some basic setup like text, buttons, and also we'll see how we can style our views.